Having a good set of weight plates is awesome, but you need a place to store them, and PRx definitely goes above and beyond when it comes to storing their stuff. So in this video, we're gonna take a look at the storage system for the bumper plates from PRx. Hey, my name is Mike Behrens, and I have been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years, and I built my home gym about 10 years ago. But today, I'm setting up my parents' home gym with a space-saving approach from PRx. And so using the weight management system is gonna be huge. So let's dive into this and get it installed. Oh, this is the wing portion of it. Oh man, here we go. Nice. That's gonna go right on the wall, just like that. This looks like this installation ought to be pretty simple. Just some lag bolts, right of the box. Okay, instructions. Find a stud and install the weight plates. Pretty easy. Using the stud finder, find the stud. This is a single stud, and we're just gonna add them in there using the weight plates, or using the lag screws, I mean. Okay, so we're limited on space, so I've got one stud left that I can use to store these plates. Problem is these shelves are gonna be in the way, so I'm gonna have to be real careful about how I do this to get the plates up there. Looks like that ought to be all right. Okay, so I got real creative with this, and we're gonna make it work right there. The wings, we got the wings, but we don't have the smaller plates, so we're just gonna kind of use it as a spacer for right now. And what's really cool about this system from PRx is it's like a puzzle piece, so it just fits right in there on top there. The same thing with the wings too, it's just a puzzle piece, fits right in. Pretty cool. Oh, that looks awesome. All right, so now I got the plate management tree in place. All I need to do now is load it with some weights. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty freaking sweet. That's one of the things that I love about PRx is they've really taken the time to pay attention to detail for making this space efficient in your home gym, giving you plenty of storage options, plenty of things to keep it clean and look nice. So I would highly recommend adding this to your home gym to keep your plates stored and keep your plates clean. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos like this where I talk about how PRx equipment holds up over time. And subscribe to the channel for more tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video.